Hi, my name is Brendan McCabe, and I'm the head of sales engineering for portfolio and order management systems at the London Stock Exchange Group. And today, what we're going to talk about is the new API connection that we have between the Workspace and the AlphaDesk order management and portfolio management system. So what we've seen is a shift into passive investments within the market recently, and we've got these new functionalities to assist some of the PMs that want to manage their passive portfolios and be able to use the power of the Workspace data to view that within the AlphaDesk order management system. So what we have here is our Russell 50 passive portfolio, where we can manage our positions in cash and generate trades. And now what we can do is we can right click and select this benchmarking feature to then search within the Workspace universe of portfolios. It could be benchmarks, indexes, custom portfolios, and pull in those weights into AlphaDesk for portfolio comparison. So what we want to do within this portfolio is choose our Russell Top 50 index and bring that into our real-time portfolio grid. So now what we can see is we can see the weights that we're managing within our current portfolio. We can see the weights of the positions within the index, and then we can see the relative weights between what we're holding and what's within the benchmark. So what we can then see is if we collapse all, we might notice that consumer discretionary, our index is at 10.45%, and we're slightly overweight with a 1.15% relative weight towards it. So now what we can do, now that we've viewed our portfolio in real time, we can actually use this index that we took from Workspace into our modeling functionality. So this is where we can load in our portfolio, and then we can load in that Russell Top 50 benchmark as a model portfolio. So now what we'll see here is the weights of our current holdings, the weights of the model, and then what we could simply do is just right click and copy our model weights to our target, which will turn each of our positions into the exact weights of the Russell Top 50 index. But we can continue on from there. So now what we want to do as a portfolio manager is I might want to group everything by our different sectors and do a little bit of underweighting and overweighting on some of the sectors that we're looking at. So let's say we want to be 1% above weight on our technology sector and then take our energy sector underweight by 1%. What that's going to do is it's going to then look at the positions within each of those sectors to proportionally overweight or underweight them according to our strategy that we're trying to track. Thanks for watching, and please check out the QR code to visit the link on the site.